Yeah, you gotta tell all your peeps at school.
All right, I got you.
All right, so the eject button is the red handle on the right. So if for whatever reason you need to get out, you just lift that up and everything comes apart. Your dad had his hand on it the whole time. All right, so this is Ben. Ben helped me out on the marriage. We lifted the chassis off the table and put it on the powertrain for the first time. So he wanted to go for a spin. What do you think, dude?
It's nice. It's definitely unique.
It's super unique. Yeah. Are you a car guy?
Not really, but
where does this rate on your hot rod list?
Oh, it's up there for sure. It's
so I'm gonna ask you the same question when I get back.
All right.
Do you want to go for a cruise, or do you want to light your hair on fire and hold on?
I just want to hold on.
A little bit of both.
Sure, let's do that.
Okay.
That works.
Here we go. You won't get that from an electric car.
Yeah, no. Can't even hear him.
Don't reach for the road because you might touch it.
All right, yeah.
You don't realize how low you sit until you reference the street.
Yeah, it's a lot different in an open car.
That's a good skill to have.
Yeah, it is.
Do you have a manual car?
No. Sweet.
All right, dude, what do you think?
That was great. That was awesome. And it's nice too because it's like open, but like you don't get the wind in your face. But
Yeah,
you still feel it
it's not that windy.
Yeah.
Very definitely open.
Yeah.
He doesn't know how to drive a manual. Dad, what happened?
Do you?
Well,
You don't have a manual?
I don't have a manual.
Yeah.
I don't remember the last time I had a manual.
Wasn't your Camry? No, that was auto.
Yeah.
All right, so what are you gonna tell all your friends?
Check it out. Nice. I know a few that would love to ride in it, but
$100 a ride.
$100.
I gotta pay for some tires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
These
nice
were
snow.
brand new when you put them on.
Yeah, they're still good.
Yeah, they are.
We did a couple donuts over there.
Good.
Yeah.
Exciting, huh?
Yeah, it's great.
Does it change your perspective on life? See the potential, the things that you could do if you put your mind to it?
I didn't waste all my time.
Dude, I came up with this idea. Some people thought I was crazy. But if you saw some of the buggies, this is basically like a buggy. I just made it into a street version, but I wanted it to look like something.
But you had done buggies before
Yeah,
as well.
I did 5.
So it wasn't a far stretch
No.
to go over to this. So
It drives way better than I thought it would, for sure.
yeah,
It runs really good.
nice and tight and quiet.
When you want it to be.
I was thinking about it. I was like, where's the music? But
No
can't do any
radio,
of that with-
no stereo, no cup holders,
No fluff.
no GPS. It's makes your head think, or I should say clears your head to think. Well, thanks for coming, dude.
Yeah, thanks for driving.